Hi, I'm Jim Belisaire, President and Founder of Successful Thinkers, and I'm really excited about Jeremy Ayers, who I'm sitting next to right now. Jeremy's been with us about 2 years now. Jerry's been instrumental in helping us actually grow chapters, excess of 150 people. He's an all-around kind of guy. He's a businessman, he's an entrepreneur, he teaches all kinds of different things, but one of the things he's really excited about is actually helping us grow our chapters and at the same time transferring that information into your personal life and your personal business. So I want Jeremy just going to real quickly give you a little insight on what he's going to teach so that you understand the power that he brings to helping grow your chapter as well as grow your business.
Thank you, Jim. One of the things I'm really passionate about in Successful Thinkers is being able to help others build their business. I at one time started in my home, believe it or not, and now I'm in multiple offices. And there's just certain doctrine that I have learned over my time in business, and I want to give that doctrine to others and successful thinkers to save them time, headaches, and sometimes heartaches in business, because I've been there, I've done it, and got the T-shirt. So what I'm going to help with successful thinkers is that I'm going to help with how to properly recruit new successful thinker team members, which translates what in business? Business development, meaning new clients. I talk to a lot of people in Successful Thinkers, and they're getting to a certain point in their business that they're running out of the friends and family, and now they need new leads. So through my recruiting methods, I'm going to help out Successful Thinkers by new members, which is also going to take that doctrine, which translates into business development.
Well, I don't know an ambassador who doesn't want to grow their chapter, and I don't know a member that doesn't want to have more clients. So you definitely want to come to hear what Jeremy has to say. Thank you.
Excellent. Thanks, Jim.